Okay, Namaskar. Today we can learn about divisibility rules, criteria of divisibility. If a number is given, is that number divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? How can you check without dividing in a long division? Without division only we have to tell that number is divisible by either 2 or not. For example, that is said to be the criteria of divisibility. If a number is divisible by 2, when we can say a number is divisible? See here. If a number is divisible by 2, if and only if the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then that number is divisible by 2. The number is divisible by 2 if and only if the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, take an example. So, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5. This is the number. Is this number divisible by 2 or not? You have to check. Is it divisible by 2? When it is divisible, we are telling about the divisibility when the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now what is the unit digit here given? 5. So the unit digit is 5. So this number is not divisible by 2. Divisible means leaving a remainder 0. When we can say a number is divisible means if the remainder in the division process, if the remainder is 0, then we can say that number is divisible. If the remainder is not 0, then we can say that is not divisible. That means that is not an exact division. When we can say a number is divisible exactly means divisible exactly. If it contains remainder 0, then we can say it is divisible exactly. Now here also in this number, now 23,765 is not divisible by 2 because the unit digit is here 5. When this number is divisible by 2, if the unit digit is, for example, take out this 5 and check this number. Now 2376, is it divisible by 2? Now check the last digit. What is the last digit? Unit digit is 6. Now if the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, so the unit digit here 6. So as this number is divisible by 2, that means whenever you are dividing that number with 2, you will get remainder 0. That is divisibility, criteria of divisibility. That is, without dividing only, we are knowing is it divisible or not. Okay. Now that is divisibility by. In the same way, by checking the unit digit, 2 more numbers also divisibility we can check like that. So by checking the units place, by checking the ones place. Actually here before we have written here 5. Now see here. Now the next divisibility rule is divisibility of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if and only if the unit digit, see for 5 divisibility, these are the numbers and its divisibility rule. Here the divisibility rule has been written. So divisibility of 5 what? The unit digit is 0 or 5. If the unit digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay. Now see here, is this number divisible by 5 or not? Check the unit digit. What is the unit digit? Unit digit is 5. So if the unit digit is 5, then we can say, so what is the rule here given? The unit digit is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Next, like that same, divisibility of 10 also same only. What is the divisibility of 10? You have to check the unit digit of the number, given number. How much should be the unit digit? Here, the unit digit should be only 0. If it is 0 only, that number is divisible by 10. So, criteria of divisibility 10. 10 check here how to divide with 10. A number is divisible by 10. Here this dash is which number you are writing, that you have to write here. So a number is divisible by 10 if and only if the unit digit is 0. If the unit digit is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Now here what is the unit digit? 5. Now is this number divisible by 10? No, it is not divisible by 10 because the unit digit here is 5. Okay, so it is not divisible by 10. Next, coming to the next, divisibility of 4. How can you divide a number, or how can you say when a number is divisible by 4 or not? That we have to see. So what is that criteria of divisibility? A number is divisible by 4 if and only if, see here, the rule is given here, the rule. The last two digits of a given number, the last two digits of a given number must be divisible by 4 or the last two digits are zeros. If the last two digits are zeros or the last two digits of a given number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Now for example, you can check the same number, 65. The last two digits means the last two digits are 65. Is 65 divisible by 4 or not? Check, divide and check. So 4, 1 is 4, remainder 2, bring down 5, 4, 6 are 24, remainder is equal to 1. So here you got remainder 1. So when the remainder is 1, what can you say? It is not divisible. So this total number is also not divisible by 4. When that is divisible by 4, if the last two digits are zeros or the last two digits of a given number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Now this number is not divisible by 4. Next, divisibility of 8. Same like this. Now what we are doing? We are checking the last digits for the first three questions. That is divisibility of 2, divisibility of 5, divisibility of 10. We are checking the last digit. That means units place we are checking. Now here for divisibility of 4, the last two digits we are seeing. For the divisibility of 8, no, criteria divisibility of 8. For divisibility of 8, we have to see last 3 digits. Very good. Now see here, when you are dividing, the last 3 digits of a given number is, the last 3 digits of a given number is zeros, 3 zeros, or the last 3 digits of a given number is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Now divisibility of 8 completed. What we said about the divisibility of 8? A number is divisible by 8 if and only if the last 3 digits of a given number is divisible by 8 or the last 3 digits are zeros. 3 zeros unna gani, 3 digits, last 3 digits divisible by 8 aina gani, then that number is divisible by 8. Next, divisibility of 3 and 9 will be same pattern. That means what is the divisibility of 3? We can see. A number is divisible by 3 if and only if the sum of the digits of a given number. What is that? Remember carefully. The sum of the digits of a given number. If a number contains 3 digits or 5 digits, 9 digits, any number of digits, we should add all the digits of the given number. And then the sum is 3, 6 or 9. Then that number is divisible by 3. So divisibility of 3, for the divisibility of 3 and 9, we should find out the sum of the digits of a given number. If the sum of the digits of a given number is 3, 6 or 9, then that number is divisible by 3. When it is divisible by 9, a number is divisible by 9 if and only if the sum of the digits of a given number is only 9. If the sum is 9, then only that number is divisible by 9. But for 3, we have 3 chances. If the sum is 3, 6 or 9, then that number is divisible by 3. So that is criteria of divisibility of 3 and 9. Then coming to, we can take the examples also afterwards. Afterwards we can take the examples. Now let us take the divisibility of 7. 7 is different and 11 is also different. So there are comparing with unit digits, we have three numbers. What is 2, 5, 10? We have to compare the unit digits. Last two digits we have to compare for divisibility of 4. Last three digits we have to see for the divisibility of 8. For the divisibility of 3 and 9, we should see the sum of the digits of a given number. If the sum of the digits of a given number is 3, 6 or 9, then that number is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits of a given number is 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Okay, understood? So that is divisible. Now divisibility of 7 you can check. Later on you can take the examples and I will show which number is divisible by which number is not divisible by which number, and we can see later. So now go for the divisibility of 7. What is the divisibility of 7? Take the last digit of the given number and double it. Double means multiply with 2 or add 2 times. Okay, and the sum. Take the sum and subtract the sum from the remaining number. Subtract the sum from the remaining number. If the difference, if you are subtracting, what you will get? You will get a difference. If the difference is divisible by 7, then that number is also divisible by 7. Don't get confusion. Very simple. What to do? We should double the last digit of a given number. ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్లో లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ని డబల్ చేయాలంటే 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. డబల్ మీన్స్ అదే నెంబర్ని 2 టైమ్స్ యాడ్ చేసినా లేకపోతే 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినా యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి డబల్డ్. ఓకే, సో డబల్ చేయండి. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ డబలింగ్ దట్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద రిమైనింగ్ నెంబర్. అంటే లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఒకదాన్ని వదిలేసి మిగతా నెంబర్లోంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయండి. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసే వస్తుంది మనకి డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది. If the difference is divisible by 7, then that number is divisible by 7. If the difference is not divisible by 7, then that number is not divisible by 7. That is criteria of divisibility of 7. Very easy. Now I will take an example, then you can get easily you can get clarified with that number. Next, divisibility of 11. A number is divisible by 11 if and only if the difference of the sum of alternate digits of a given number and sum of the remaining numbers. We should find out the difference. We should find out the difference for divisibility of 11. For divisibility of 11, we should find out the difference. What difference you have to find out? First, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆల్టర్నేట్ డిజిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ గివెన్ నెంబర్. ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్లో ఆల్టర్నేట్ డిజిట్స్ని తీసుకుని వాటిన్నింటినీ యాడ్ చేయాలి. అది ఒక పక్కన పెట్టుకోండి సమ్ని. నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ డిజిట్స్ యాడ్ చేయగానే రిమైనింగ్ డిజిట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, టేక్ దట్ రిమైనింగ్ డిజిట్స్, వాటిలన్నింటినీ యాడ్ చేయండి. యాడ్ ద రిమైనింగ్ డిజిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద గివెన్ నెంబర్ అండ్ హియర్ యూ విల్ గెట్ వన్ మోర్ సమ్. సో హియర్ యూ గాట్ 2 sums. One is sum of the alternate digits of a given number. Another is sum of the remaining digits. 2 sums also. Find out the difference of these 2 sums. Find out the difference of these 2 sums. If the difference is 0 or a multiple of 11. If the difference is 0 or a multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Okay, once again repetition choose here. So divisibility of 3, the sum of the digits of a given numbers is 3, 6 or 9, then that number is divisible by, and the same way 9, the sum of the digits of the given number should be 9, then only it is divisible by 9. And divisibility of 7, a number is divisible by 7 if and only if double the unit digit and subtract it from the remaining number. If the difference is divisible by 7, then that number is also divisible by 7. And divisibility of 11, you see, the difference of the sum of the alternate digits of a given number and రెండు డిఫరెన్స్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే వీ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ 2 నెంబర్స్. రెండు ఉండాలి, 2 నెంబర్లు ఉండాలి. ఏంటి ఒకటేంటి? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆల్టర్నేట్ డిజిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ గివెన్ నెంబర్ అండ్ అనదర్ సమ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద అనదర్ సమ్? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద రిమైనింగ్ డిజిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ గివెన్ నెంబర్. ఈ రెండు సమ్లు. Now the difference of these two sums is 0 or a multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Okay, so these are criteria of divisibility of. Now you can check by taking one number, we can check all 2 to 9. Okay, so check carefully. 547290. How many digits are in this number? 6 digits are there. So units, thousands, lakhs. 5,47,290. Is this number divisible by? We can check. Divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here we forgot to tell about the divisibility of 6. What is the divisibility of 6 means? If a number is divisible by 6, if and only if that number must be divisible by 2 and 3. Not 2 or 3. 2 and 3. It must be divisible by 2 and it must be divisible by 3. Then only that is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if and only if it is divisible by 2 and 3. Now check this number with all those numbers. Now take this number. So unit digit చూసి divisibility test అని చెప్పే ఏ numbers నానా? 2, 5, 10. Now is this number unit digit? What is the unit digit here? 0. Is this number divisible by 2? Yes, this number is divisible by 2 because the unit digit is 0. How much should be? What is the criteria of divisibility of 2? A number is divisible by 2 if and only if the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay? Then it is divisible by 2. Next, coming to 5. Take 5. A number is divisible by 5 if and only if the unit digit is 0 or 5. కాబట్టి unit digit ని చూస్ చేయండి. So 5 తో divisible అవుతుంది నెంబర్? Yes, this number is also divisible by 5. So with which numbers it is divisible? Divisible and not divisible. This number is divisible by 2 is divisible by, this number is divisible by 2, this number is divisible by 5 and divisible by 10. Is this number divisible by 10? Yes, good. It is divisible by 10. Why? Yes, the unit digit is 0. If the unit digit is 0, then it is divisible by 0. So, take 10. 10 to 5, 2 to completed, 5 to completed, 10 to also completed. If the unit digit is 0, so this number is also divisible by 10. So, divisibility of 10. It is divisible by 10. Next what you say? Divisibility of 4. Unit digit. By checking the unit digits, that is last 2 digits you have to take. What are the last 2 digits of the given number? 90. If it is divisible by 4, it should be divisible by 4. To divisibility of this number by 4, 90 should be divisible by 4. So check here. Divisibility by 4. 4 2s are 8, remainder 1, bring down 0. 4 2s are 8, remainder 2. So here remainder we got 2. So this number is not divisible by 4. Why? Because so not divisible number 4 is not divisible by, this number is not divisible by 4. Isn't it? Now next take another number. What is the divisibility of 8? What is the divisibility of 8? What is the divisibility of 8? We should check the last 3 digits of a given number. If a number is divisible by 8, if and only if the last 3 digits of a given number should be divisible by 8. What are the last 3 digits of the given number? 290. Take 290. Is it divisible by 290 is divisible by 8 or not? You can check. So with 8, 8 3 ja 24. Remainder 50. So 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. Remainder is equal to 2. So okay, here also you got remainder 2. So this number is also not divisible by 8. So 8. 4 completed, 8 completed. Then check the divisibility of 3 and 9. What is the divisibility of 3 and 9? A number is divisible by 3 if and only if the sum of the digits of a given number. Sum of the digits of a given number. What is the given number here? So 5,47,290. Sum of the digits. Find the sum. Sum. To find out the sum of the digits of the given number, what to do? Add all the digits of the given. 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9 plus 0. Now how much you got? Sum you check. So 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 9 27. 3 9s. 27 plus 0 27. 27 in 27 how many digits we have again? 2 digits are there. If the sum you got in again in 2 digits, add those 2 digits. That means 2 plus 7. That is equal to 9. So you should bring it into a single digit. The sum should bring it into a single digit. If the sum is here 9. Now divisibility of 3 what is the divisibility of 3? A number is divisible by 3 if and only if the sum of the digits of a given number is 3, 6 or 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Okay? Or divisible by 3, sorry, divisible by 3. Now this number is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, the sum we got as 9. So this number is divisible by 3. So divisible list lo rayali 3. But 9th divisibility endana. What is the divisibility of 9? What is the divisibility of 9? The sum should be 9 only. Yes, here the sum is 9. So the sum of all the digits of the given number is 9. So this number is also divisible by 9. Now check the divisibility of 7. Divisibility of 7. What is the divisibility of 7? Double the unit digit. What is the unit digit here? What is the unit digit here? 0. Double it. Double it means 0 plus 0 or 0 into 2, 0 only. So subtract it from the remaining number. So 9, 2, 7, 4, 5. So again double the unit digit. 9 2s are 18. Subtract it from the remaining number. 18. So 12 minus 8, 4. 6 minus 1, 5. 4, 5, 4. Now double the unit digit again. 4 2s are 8. Subtract it from the remaining number. 15 minus 8, 7, 3, 5. 537. Is it divisible by 7? We don't know. So again double the unit digit. Unit digit 7 2s are 14. Subtract it. So 13 minus 4, 9. 4 minus 1, 3. 39. Is 39 divisible by 7? No. 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. So 39 is not divisible by 7. So this number also not divisible by 7. That is criteria of divisibility of this. And the last one is, sorry, again 6 is there. Is it divisible by 6? Yes, this number is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by 2 and as well as 3. So this number is also divisible by 6. Next, divisibility of 11. Divisibility of 11. We check. What is the divisibility of 11? What I said? We should find out the sum of the alternate digits of a given number. Then sum of the remaining digits of a given number. Some alternate digits. Now you can check here alternate digits. What is the alternate digits of the given number? So 0, 2, 4. Alternate digits. So 4 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 6. And the remaining digits. What are the remaining digits? 9, 7, 5. Add all this. 5 plus 7 plus 9. So that is equal to 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. So the difference of 21 minus 6, 15. So the remainder we got here as 15. How much should be the remainder? The remainder should be 0 or 11. The remainder should be 0 or 11. If the remainder is 0 or 11, then that number is divisible by 11. But here we got remainder 15. So this number is not divisible by 11. Okay? Namaskar. Yesterday, in the last class, we taught about divisibility rules. Divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now, by taking one or two numbers, we can check the divisibility of all these numbers. How they will work out. So, like that, you have to take different numbers, different digit numbers you have to take, and you have to check. If you are checking like that, you can get easily the solutions. Now, for example, you take here 3726 540 0. Let us take this example. This number is having how many digits and is it divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you can check. So, divisibility rules. So, is this number divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So, if it is divisible, we can tick like this. If it is not divisible, cross mark. Okay? So now, let us see this number. First divide this given number into periods in Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, we have 4 periods, units period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Now, is this number divisible by 2 or not? What is the divisibility of 2? A number is divisible by 2 if and only if the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Isn't it? So, the unit digit. What is the unit digit? 0. So, is this number divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. So, tick mark. Next, take the another. Divisibility of 5. Divisibility of 2, divisibility of 5 and divisibility of 10 by checking its units place. We are deciding is it divisible or not. Now, this number is divisible by 2. Now, is it divisible by 5? What is the divisibility rule of 5? If the unit digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So now, here 0, unit digit is 0. So this is divisible by 5 also. Now unit digit is 0. So it is divisible by 10 also. So divisibilities. So here like this you can check. Now this is the number. So another number like that you can take and you can check all this. Now divisibility of 2, 3 and 10 completed. Divisibility of 4. By checking the last 2 digits we can check. What are the last 2 digits of the given number? The last 2 digits are zeros. So this number is divisible by 4. Okay, right, it is also divisible by 4. Next, what is the divisibility of 8? The last 3 digits you have to see. If the last 3 digits are zeros or the last 3 digits of a given number is divisible by 8, then that number also divisible by 8. What are the last 3 digits? 400. Check here, 400 divided by 8. 8 5s are 40. Okay, it is divisible. Isn't it? So, 8 50s are 400. So, it is divisible by 8 also. Very good. It is divisible by 8 also. Now, what is the divisibility of 3 and 9? So, we should find out the sum of the digits of a given number. If you are finding the sum of the digits of a given number, if the sum is 3, 6 or 9, then that is divisible by 3. If the sum is 9, then that is divisible by 9. Now check the sum. So 3 plus 7 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 5, 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 0 plus 0 is 27. 27 means again 2 plus 7. That is equal to 9. Yes, the sum is 9. If the sum is 9, what will happen? It is divisible by 3 and 9 also. If the sum is 3, 6 or 9. But what you got sum? 9. So if the sum is 3, 6 or 9, it is divisible by 3. So divisible by 3 completed. Now what is the divisibility of 9? If the sum is 9, then the number, total number is divisible by 9. Yes, here it is also divisible by 9. Then divisibility of 6 is there. What is the divisibility of 6? If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, not 2 or 3, 2 and 3, it must be divisible by 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. Now this number is divisible by 2, this number is divisible by 3, so this is divisible by 6 also. That means this number is divisible by 6 also. Next, divisibility of 7. What is the divisibility of 7? Take the unit digit, double it, subtract it from the remaining number. So see here, like that. If you have divisibility of 7, you check like this. So double it, 0 plus 0, 0. Now again, if you are subtracting again, how much you will get? Again it's the same number. Again minus. So 3, 7, 2, 6, 5, 4, 0. Double it, 0. Now subtract again. Again here. Now double the unit digit. 4 2s are 8. Subtract it from the remaining number. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. 7. Now 5, 2, 7, 3. Now how much it is? Now we can't check. Again you have to process. Continuation process this till getting a 2-digit number. If you are getting a 2-digit number, then that is divisible by 7 or not, you can check. Okay? Now, is it divisible by 7 or not? Again, double it. Double the last digit. 7 2s are 14. Subtract it from the before number. So, 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 7, 3. 3, 7, double L. Is it divisible by 7? You don't know. So, what to do again? Double the unit digit. So, 1 2s are 2. Subtract it from the before number. 11 minus 2, 9, 8, 3, 389. Double the unit digit. 9 2s are 18. So subtract it from the remaining number. 38 minus 18, 20. Yes, 20 is not divisible by 7. 20 is not divisible by 7. So this number is also not divisible by 7. Understood? Subtraction of 7? Divisibility of 7? Okay, so it is not divisible by 7. Next, only one is pending, that is 11. Divisibility of 11. When we can say a number is divisible by 11? When we can say a number is divisible by 11 means, if a number is divisible by 11, the difference of the sum of the alternate digits of a given number and sum of the remaining numbers. Difference కనుక్కోవాలంటే రెండు నెంబర్లు కావాలి మనకి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏంటి? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆల్టర్నేట్ డిజిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ గివెన్ నెంబర్. సెకండ్ వన్ ఏంటి? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద రిమైనింగ్ నెంబర్స్. ఈ రెండిటికి డిఫరెన్స్. ఇఫ్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఈజ్ 0 ఆర్ ఏ మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Okay, once again we are revising. Already we have completed this class. So be careful everybody. Okay, see. Now alternate digits means this. So these are the alternate digits. So now 7 plus 6, 13 plus 4, 17. And the remaining digits, sum of the remaining digits, 0 plus 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Now find the difference of these two sums. The difference of these two sums is 0 or multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Now what is the difference? 11, 17 minus 10 is 7. So this is not divisible by 11. Okay, understood? This is not divisible by 11. Right. So this is not divisible. Now take one more number. Let us take another number for the example. 45032 Let us take this one. Now is this number divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So first by checking the unit digits. Unit digit check chesi how many numbers we can say? Divisibility of 2, divisibility of 5, divisibility of 10. By checking the unit digit you can say. What is the unit digit here? The unit digit is 9. If the unit digit is 9, is it divisible by 2? No, it is not divisible. This number is not divisible by 2. This number is not divisible by 5. Why? Why it is not divisible by 5? 5 తో divisible కావాలి అంటే the unit digit should be 0 or 5. So here it is not 0 or 5, so it is 9, so it is not divisible by 5. Now what is the divisibility of 10? The unit digit must be 0. But what is the unit digit here? 9. So it is also not divisible by 10. So 10 also it is not divisible. Then 4, divisibility of 4. Last 2 digits. Check the last 2 digits. 29. Is 29 divisible by 4? No. So this is not divisible by 4. Now by taking the last 3 digits. What are the 3 digits? 329. Check 329 with 8. Divisibility of 8. 8 4 jar 32. Remainder 0. Bring down 9. 8 1 is 8. Remainder 1. So it is not divisible. So this number is also not divisible by 8. Oh, the first number is divisible by all except 11. But the second 11 till up to 5 numbers also, all these numbers are not divisible. This number is not divisible by all these 5 numbers. Now 8 also completed. Then check the divisibility of 3 and 9. 3 and 9. What is the divisibility of 3 and 9? Find the sum of the digits of a given number. If the sum of the digits of a given number 3, 6 or 9, it is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits of a given number is 9, it is divisible by 9. Now check sum you can check. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 9 is equal to 23. 23 means again 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the sum is 3, 6 or 9, then only it is divisible by 3. But the sum is where you got 5, so it is not divisible by 3. If the sum is 9, then it is divisible by 9. But the sum is here 5, so it is not divisible by 9. Then divisibility of 6. Divisibility of 6. If it is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. But here it is not divisible by 6 also. Now divisibility of 7. So take the last digit of the given number, double it and subtract it from the remaining number. So 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Subtract 18 from the remaining number. Remaining number is 3. So while you are subtracting 12 minus 8, 4. 1 minus 1. Sorry, 2 minus 1, 1. 0, 5, 4. Now again last digit, 4. Double it. Subtract it from the remaining number. Like that continuation process till getting a 2-digit number. So then if the 2-digit number is divisible by 7, then the total number is also divisible by 7. Now see here, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Subtract it from the before number. 11 minus 8, 3. 9. So 9, 5, 4. Again double the last digit. 3 2s are 6. Subtract 9 minus 6, 3, 5, 4. Double the last digit. 3 2s are 6. Subtract it from the before number. 15 minus 6, 9. 39. So is 39 divisible by 7? No, 39 is not divisible by 7. So that number also not divisible by 7. So criteria of divisibility of 7 also not divisible. Okay, then now checking of 11. Divisibility of 11. Okay, now see. What is the divisibility of 11? Find the sum of the alternate digits of a given number and find the sum of the remaining numbers. Alternate digit sum, remaining digit sum. These two sums you should subtract. If the difference is 0 or a multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Now see here. What are the... Oh, sorry. Second one, much better. Okay. Let us take another number. Now third one. Now check this number, is it divisible by 11 or not? Now, to divisibility of this number 11, wait. So find out the sum of the alternate digits of a given number. The alternate digits are 6, 7, 2, 5, 9. So sum 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 23 plus 6, 29. And the remaining digits 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. Now 29 minus 29, 0. Now what is this? If the difference is 0 or a multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. So, is this number divisible by 11 or not? Is this number divisible by 11 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 11. Now the same number. The same number. Is it divisible by 2? Last digit. Last digit. Check the last digit of the given number. Third one. So number. Last digit. Divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 5? No, it is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 10. Then, is it divisible by 3? Or 4? 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 8? 756 divided by 8. 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72. 72. 75 minus 72, 36. 8 4 is 32. Remainder 4. We got remainder 4, so it is not divisible by 8. Then next, divisibility of 3. Add the digits. Add the digits. 7 plus 9, 16, 18, 23, 29, 31, 40, 47, 52, 58. Sum is 58. 58 means 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Again 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So the sum is 4. If the sum is 4, is it divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 9 also. So is it divisible by 6? It is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6 also. Then divisibility of 7. 7 check change. So double it. 6 2 jar 12. Subtract. 5 minus 2 3. 7 minus 1 6. So the remaining number as it is. So double it. 6. So this is 9 2 6. Double it. 9 2 are 18. Subtract it from the before number. What is before number? 5 2 9 7. So 12 minus 8 4. 5 minus 1 4 5. Double it. 4 2s are 8. Subtract it from the before number. 14 minus 8 6. 4. What is 6? Bring down. 2 9 7. Now again check here. 7 9 2 4 6. Is it divisible by? Double it. 12. 12 9 7. Double it. 2 to the 4. 11 minus 4 7. 9 7. Double it. 14 5 6. 65. 65 is not divisible by 7. So this number is also not divisible by 7. So that is divisibility rules. In this way, you can check any number by taking any number of digits number you can take, and you can divide it with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either it is divisible or not, you have to check. Okay.